Hello everyone, welcome back to Emstine TV. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to turn on super tanks. In the first place, what is super tanks? Super tanks is a subsection of super chat. For those who don't know super chat is another way to make money on YouTube. For example, when you are live, people can super chat you, they can support you directly from your chat with super chat. And inside super chat, we have super stickers um, and other features which I've forgotten, and these features have just come new. It has been there since, but it needs some certain levels before you can be eligible for super thanks. Now we are going to go directly into my channel to see how we can enable super thanks and earn some revenue from it compared to what we are earning from ads. So thanks to my returning subscribers, you guys are all the best. Thanks for the continued love and support, and if you are new to the family, you are highly welcome. Please do consider subscribing and turning on your notification bell for more updates. Now you enter your YouTube studio. What is happening in your YouTube studio? Where are you going to see this super thanks? That is the big question. It is very simple. Now you scroll down here. When you scroll down here, you see monetization. Here in the monetization, you are going to click it. When you click it, you see four features here. You see overview, art, memberships, super chat, supers. When we say supers, it means it contains many options. You have super sticker, super chat, and super thanks. But when you there are some regions who doesn't have super chat agreement with YouTube partner program. So in such regions, if you are in those regions and you don't know how to enable super chat on your channel, please don't hesitate to tell me in the comment section, and I will take you through and enable super chat on your channel. So how do we get to see super thanks? You get into supers. When you enter supers, you see different type of supers here. You have super chat, you have super stickers, you have super thanks. Super thanks have just appeared on my channel just today as I'm making this video, because I watched a video of a colleague as she was talking about her super chat is available and she's eligible for super thanks. Then I said, okay, let me check mine, because I was checking frequently. It was not eligible, and then I got tired of checking. Now when you are not eligible and you are in the region that supports super chat, you see it here. You are not eligible. When you are eligible, then we are going to let you know. You can see here, you may earn more super chat revenue by following these tips. Now here is it, as I have already turned it on and it is showing blue, same as super stickers. Now you can see the super thanks, the super chat here. This is when I was going live and people were supporting me through super chat and super stickers. Now super thanks has come and added to these two features to make it three supers features. Now how can you earn money through super thanks? Through super thanks, is it will just appear on below your channel, where you have the share button, the download, and the other features. When a viewer wants to support you, they can support you even when you are not live, even when you are not posting videos. But when they go to your videos and you have enabled super thanks, they may be able to support you from there. So that is it. That is the benefit of super thanks. Here is it, super thanks, and you can make more revenues with good viewers and viewers who are die-hearted for you. So that is it, guys. If you don't know how to enable super chat, if you don't know how to enable super thanks, go to your monetization icon here and check if you are eligible for super thanks. If you are eligible, you see it here. They will tell you you are eligible. That is the process on how to enable and find out if you are eligible for super thanks. So please don't hesitate to tell me in the comment section if you are struggling to enable super chat or super thanks on your channel. I'm very much available in helping you in one way or the other to do that for you. Thanks so much. Till next video, please don't forget to subscribe if you find this video interesting, and share it as well. Till next video, thanks, bye.